Right, hello again, this is me, Nader, talking about one of my projects as part of my CV. This is the 71 to 73 Hackney Road. We worked on shops and basements and 14 apartments. This is like a deconstructivist project. We refurbished the front block and we've added an extension here and another extension there and another extension on the side at the back. As you can see, it's another L-shaped building on Hackney Road. This is 71 and 73 Hackney Road. Okay, as you noticed, we have like sort of section AA, BB, CC, DD, EE. We have four very complicated sections. I'll just show you quickly the sections to show you how complicated and how interesting. So here we have the basement where we have the storage for Ruby handbags, and here we have the ground floor where the shops, and here we have the apartments. So we used as well zip roofs and variety of composite floors and timber floors, and I'll show you in other sections, like here for example, timber joists here and some steel elements and concrete and timber joist again here. So, and here we have sash windows at the front and mansard roofs. We produce like sort of 20 to 25 big details, section 1 to 20. I might show them on YouTube. That's another group of sections, and here group of sections. We have retaining wall and piles, and in the photographs I'll show you more. I wrote about 300 pages for this project. Specification, NBS specifications, about 45 sections. The same thing with the Redchurch Street. I've done about 45 NBS sections, and the Wimbledon houses as well. Right, let me just show you now the photographs on site. I might have elevation. That's another section, DD. I'll just show you quickly. See connections here, very complicated and interesting, and balconies and cars, you know, going in and bringing some bags, and very interesting and complicated project. That's the elevation on the road. We have a listed building here, pub, so we had to be very careful with that. We refurbished the windows and the doors, and then we sorted out as well the mansard roof. We added this at the top. Right, so here are some of the construction drawings. As you can see, we blocked the front here so no dust will come into the street, and we built the top, the LED flashing, and here we have the back. We moved this backwards to gain more space and more rooms. You can see it was dogs' dinners, I mean the site, but then we turned it into very nice, as you see in the other video, into very nice flats. And here our neighbors, they became jealous, so they copied us and they developed that part of the site, which you'll see in the next video. Here on the other side, where the pub here is at the front, and here we extended backwards. Now here's some lintels. I'll just move to some other photos and site inspection. As you can see here, we had piles all the way around, pile foundations, and then concrete retaining wall, and columns, concrete columns, and steel beams, and at the front joists. So lots of different types of materials and structural materials was used, and as you can see, part of the existing here, we took it out. and here to stop the dust from going out as we were demolishing some parts. I tell you, it was really difficult site, and we turned it into something really tidy and neat, and the client was very happy with it. It took as well about, I think, 2 years to finish. 3 projects were on site: the Wimbledon houses, and the Hackney project, and the Redchurch Street, and the Darul Uloom. Really, we were juggling and running here and there, and was one of my great experiences in construction and design. The contract was a JCT contract, normal one, traditional way, and there was a few problems here or there, but we sorted them out, and we managed to finish on time. And have a nice day.